Link down below if you want the PS4, PC, and Xbox One version of this video. It is a little bit different, or any other videos I may have on 2K23. It'll be in the description box. Head on over to features here. This is the PS5 and Xbox Series S and X. Go down to create a roster. Select whatever one you want. Choose official 2K Sports roster. From here, you're just going to go up and down to different teams, pick whatever player you want, select them with A or X, either trade them to another team or assign them to another team. I tend to trade so that you don't get the error that you don't have enough players on a team. Once you've done that and you've chosen the team that you want, let's say you wanted the Bulls. If you look at the top left, you'll see roster creator. So on a PlayStation, it's R2. On an Xbox, it's RT. Don't know what it is on PC. But go to that roster creator. From here, you may or may not need to play with this. Go all the way down. Maybe some of your preferred players are on the reserved list. You would simply highlight them with the X or A. And then you would switch them with somebody that's got minutes. And then it'll say swap minutes and move players. And then from here, at your own pace and choosing or whatever, you just pick whatever you want to do for the minutes. That's how you set that up. Once you're done that, back up. Sure, have the CPU rebuild the rotations, or you can fix them manually. Then you would go ahead and you would save the roster. I've already done something, so I'm actually not going to do that. And now you're done. So now how to use them? Well, we can do play now. We can do quick play and blacktop. So for quick play, you would simply go to load roster, which is the left analog stick. Push down on it, go to user created roster, tab over to my files, and select your custom roster, which I chose mine to be named custom. And then from there, go all the way down to your team, and you could see mine has Stephen Curry, Michael Jordan, LeBron James, Kobe Bryant, Dennis Rodman. We all know they've never played for the Raptors. So that's for play now. And if we back it up here and go to blacktop, it's the same thing. Pick whatever mode you want, doesn't matter. Left analog stick to load that custom roster. Go to user created roster, head on over to my files. Same thing again, pick a side, advance, choose your court size, your game conditions. And then from here, all the way down, Michael Jordan, LeBron James, right? So you could see that it's working for that mode as well. Not a problem. Let's back out. Now let's check out my GM, which on current gen is known as My League, My GM. They just changed the terminology, but it's the same thing. Again, you could do the same thing with the women's NBA. So now we're going to go to My NBA eras, which again, My League, My GM, seasons, and all that stuff. From what I could see, you cannot do it for the playoffs. So I'm going to go to My NBA, create a new one. Let that load up. It does not matter which era you choose out of the four. Pick any of them. The steps are identical. And because this is next gen, like I said, it's slightly different, which is why I made a separate video for it. Once you load this up for the custom roster aspect, you can see this is quite different. Go to setup options right there. Toggle it with the X or A. Make sure it's green. Then hit triangle or Y. And simply just go down the list here. And just make sure that custom roster is on the green. And then once you've done that, you can advance. And then you can, again, select user created roster, tab over to My Files, load the custom roster, and then you can customize your league, do as you wish, and that is pretty much it. I can't think of anything else to cover in this video. As always, if you liked it, go ahead, give it a thumbs up, as it does greatly help support the channel with the algorithm. If you didn't like the video, well, go ahead, give it a thumbs down. I'll bend it in half, twist it, break it off in your ass. And if you want to subscribe to the channel, naturally, that would be great. But if not, thanks for stopping by anyways. Take care, and maybe I'll see some of you in the next video. Bye for now.